9a, a piece of cloth cost rupees 200 if the piece was 5 meters longer. Each meter of cloth costed rupees 2 less. The cost of the piece would have remained unchanged. The length of the piece is x meters and y be the price per meter. What is the original rate per meter? So basically, children, we have to find out the value of y, where the length equal to x meters and the price equals to y per meter. Per meter. What is the original rate per meter? That means this value, children. They want us to find out this value. Now, the cloth cost rupees 200. The piece was 5 meters longer. So 200 upon x, which is the value of y originally. Now they say, the question says, if the piece was 5 meters longer, the new cost would have been 5 meters longer, x plus 5. Originally it was 200 upon x, new value is 100 upon x plus 5. And that difference, children, would have been 2 rupees less. Original cost and the new cost difference would have been 2 rupees. The cloth costed rupees 2 less. The cost of the piece would have remained unchanged. It would have been 200 rupees only, children. Now we solve this. So 200x plus 1000 minus 200x is equal to 2 times x squared plus 5x. Children, that's taking the LCM. So that gives us, cancels out, 2 comes down, children. So 500 is equal to x squared plus 5x. So 0 is equal to x squared plus 5x minus 500. The factors, children, are product is negative 500, sum is positive 5. The two numbers are 25 and 20. This being negative and this being positive and this being negative. So that's, children, 0 is equal to x squared plus 25x minus 20x minus 500. Take common, so 0 is equal to x plus 25 minus 20, x plus 25. That's x minus 20, x plus 25 is equal to 0. That means x minus 20 equal to 0, that's x is equal to 20, or x is equal to negative 25. And we know that the length cannot be negative. The length cannot be negative, since length cannot be negative. X is equal to 20 meters, children. X is equal to 20 meters. So the value of y would come out to be, value of y would be 200 upon 20. That's 10 rupees per meter. And that's what they wanted us to find out, children. Not the value of x. We could have also tried to form an equation in terms of y, children, and solve it. But this was easier, so we've done that. Let's just check it once, children. 200 upon 20, that's 10, minus 200 upon 25, that's 8. The difference is 2. So all the working of ours has come right. That's the next question. And children, for as far as the marks are concerned, this is for 3 marks. Equation, getting the correct equation with the correct variables, everything would be 1, because you cannot change the variables since the question specifies that. The variables have to be x and y the way they have specified. That can't be changed. All the simplification with the correct equation, part 2, one more mark. Lastly, for the answer, specifying x, getting x right and the value of y, 1 mark. What's the next question, children?